Hey guys, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2023 Sailfish 276 DC. So we have the Provence blue whole side color here. We do have the matching color underneath the hardtop. This boat comes equipped with the twin Mercury Verado 200 horsepower engine package. Pete will give us a good shot here of trim tabs, underwater lights, and your boarding ladder. I'll let Peter hop up into the boat first. So across the transom here, you do have access to your batteries, telescoping ski tow bar, 3 seats that will pull out or stay tucked away if you want them to. Gives you a nice little fishability, or if you have family and friends out, pull those seats out. Live well, freshwater washdown. Looking forward, nice storage above and below the hardtop, so cooler storage here. Additional storage right here. Now we have the canvas inside. Little wet bar. It is winterized right now. This seat right here can go into 3 different positions. Lounger, and then it can lay all the way flat, but I'll show you guys the head. Nice big door to our head. Owner's manual's in there right now. At the helm, single 12-inch Garmin screen with a Mercury vessel view, Fusion radio, and all your rocker switching. I'll let Pete go up first. Sailfish switched up the storage on the 276 versus the 275. Really nice access in here. Molded out for a 5-gallon bucket. Can keep beach chairs or big tubes or anything you want down below. Comfortable seating all the way up here in the bow. On this port side, I do have the filler cushion out. And then here's our access to our windlass. So again, 2023 Sailfish 276 dual console. My name is Frank and Teskey. I'm here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Thank you.